What's up, guys? Good morning. We are in Blaymore for the day 2 of Hot Rocky Canadian Summer. Just checking out this bike park right here. There's quite a few trails, so we're gonna start heading up kind of like the ski road, and then we're gonna drop in and do a few up and downs of this little bike park here. And I hope you enjoy the video, so check it out. So we're just climbing up. Now we're gonna descend it all the way back to the camper. Wicked awesome. Here comes Sam. She did it. She's right behind me. You could actually, if those trees weren't in the way, we could see Lofty. Yeah, see the school bus? The hockey arena? Yeah, it's literally right below those trees. Look at you, you are killing it.
It is
6 o'clock.
No, it's like 9:30. We are in Fernie, BC. We got in yesterday afternoon. Found a place to park and everything. If you're ever in Fernie, there's a free RV campsite. It's kind of just like a parking lot. Where is it?
Fernie Alpine Resort.
Yeah, Fernie Alpine Resort. So if you want to come here to go mountain biking, the first parking lot when you come up the road, it's free parking. You can park your RV there and everything. It doesn't have any hookups, but it has Wi-Fi if you get closer to the building. And also we found our computers get TELUS Wi-Fi last night, so we watched some Netflix, had dinner. Yeah, had a shower for the first time in the camper, testing out our shower. Matt is doing dishes.
I was lazy because of Netflix. I didn't watch them last night.
No. But he made a very delicious dinner. It was like a curry lentil veggie on rice. It was amazing. So yeah, so our plans for today is mountain biking, obviously. So I was thinking that we could go like, I don't know what Matt has planned of what mountain we're doing. We might do the mountain out the window, which I'll show you guys in a second. Or we might go to another mountain. And I was thinking after that mountain, after our first ride, we could do lunch or grab sushi because they have a sushi place here. And we haven't had sushi in a while. And then after that, after lunch, I was thinking we could go out for another ride if we're feeling up to it, because there's so many trails to explore here, and there is lots of things to do. I can't think.
There's a lift here.
Oh yeah, there's a lift here, so we just gotta pay a day pass. So yeah, it's gonna be a really hot day today. We're super pumped to go riding.
So yeah, we did a trail named Buck 50 on Blairmore Bike Park, or at Blairmore Bike Park. It was about 4 kilometers of pretty much hiking to the top. Sam was very impressed by my hiking skills. And then Sam killed it all the way down the mountain.
I had so much fun going down. Holy shit. It was amazing.
So one thing I'll suggest if you're new into mountain biking or you want to give it a try, the best thing about the mountains versus say like a city vibe or like a cross country kind of vibe is a lot of the terrain is very like up and down, up and down, up and down. So you don't really get a chance to get like a flow, especially when you're trying to learn. Like you can get a flow once you've had, practice and you get some skills and stuff. But if you can just climb uphill for a long time, like to the top of a mountain, and then come downhill for like half an hour, you have a lot more time to understand how your brakes work and how like the flow of the trail, and get your handlebars swooping around corners and stuff like that. And you'll learn a lot faster doing that kind of stuff. And then you can turn that into the other kind of riding, which is the up and down kind of cross-country stuff, where you just take your time, get up to the top, and then enjoy the ride down.
Also, a sad thing happened last night. We realized our inverter can't handle our Instapot. If you don't know what an Instapot is, that is an Instapot. It replaces like 5 cooking appliances. Which is sad because that's what we use to cook in all the time. It's amazing. If you don't have an Instapot, get it. Instapot is not sponsoring this video, but if Instapot wants to, we'll gladly accept because we love it.
We need a mini. We need an Instapot mini.
Yeah.
That's what we need.
Because
that uses less power.
Yeah, because it won't work. We thought it would because we have all the ampage.
Well, yeah, we got a 2,000 watt inverter with a 4,300 peak.
Yeah.
Which I think the Instapot, I can't remember what it was, but it wasn't 2,000.
Yeah.
So
we don't know why
it's not working.
It's not working. Yeah, it turns off the inverter when we cook, which sucks because like we use it for soups, we make stews and everything. Like it's a perfect thing because it's one
pretty
pot.
much what's gonna happen now is we're gonna like get everything ready, and then we're gonna like run into a back alley somewhere and like plug it in the wall and like turn it on and then just like chill.
Well, because it only takes like a couple minutes to make, so.
And then wait till it beeps and then like run back to the camper with the hot pot. I can see that happening. So if you know anything more about Instapots that we don't know, I'm going to try to find a few lower settings that hopefully will use less power or pull less power all at once. And then hopefully that'll save us and we'll just have to cook slower.
Yeah. Put it on slow cook.
Slow cooker maybe.
So, I think I'm gonna be done talking, so check out all the B-roll right now.
It's this movie that I think you like. This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself. She's been living on the high shelf. And the cowboy star running down to the riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your dancing man. I love you when you're singing that song.